Hi, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you are all fine. Today, we have the third asynchronous period, which is about writing a descriptive paragraph. How to write a descriptive paragraph. Let's remember what is a descriptive paragraph. A descriptive paragraph describes a person, a place, or a thing so that the reader can picture it in his or her mind. So if you want to describe a person or a thing, the reader should imagine that person. He should imagine that thing by describing that person or that place or that thing. Also, the reader uses words that create an image and help the reader see, touch, feel, smell, or taste the topic that he or she is describing. So he writes or he uses descriptive words. He uses too many adjectives in writing the descriptive paragraph. We say that every paragraph should have parts of a paragraph. Every paragraph should have a topic sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentence. In supporting details, we have to use colorful vocabulary. We have to use descriptive vocabulary, descriptive words to describe. The first part of the paragraph is the topic sentence. What is a topic sentence? The topic sentence in a descriptive paragraph introduces the item that the writer will describe. It may also include the writer's general feeling or opinion about the item. So it is the general feeling or opinion. What is the opinion of the writer of the descriptive paragraph? After the topic sentence, we are going to write about this topic. We are going to support the topic. We are using supporting sentences. The supporting sentences give some background information about the item. The supporting sentences also give descriptive details about the item. It gives us descriptive details. The writer describes in more details. These details describe how the item looks, smells, feels, or tastes. The supporting sentences may also describe in more detail how the writer feels about the item. So in supporting details, you can add your feeling as a writer. And at the end, you should conclude the descriptive paragraph by using concluding sentence. What is a concluding sentence? Every paragraph should have a concluding sentence. The paragraph ends with a concluding sentence that restate the idea in the topic sentence using different words. So after the first you write about the topic sentence, then you restate, reuse the words in the topic sentence by different words. So reusing the words in the topic to conclude your descriptive paragraph. We say that the descriptive paragraph should have adjectives to describe the item, to describe the words you are talking about. If you want to describe a thing or a person, you should describe him. How can you describe this person? You should add adjectives. What are the adjectives? It's the words that describe a noun or a pronoun such as a person, a place, or a thing, or an idea. Here is some examples of the adjectives. Some adjectives can be colors, can be size, shape, taste. Color like black, when we describe something that is black, we say that it is black car, big, big house. Okay, yes, the shape, the taste. the other, texture, sound, number, weather. These are types of adjectives. In our example here, we are going to write about the topic here. California is a state where you can enjoy time. So our topic is about California. He asks us to plan and write a two-paragraph report describing the weather and the beauty of the landscape in California. So here is the two paragraphs. We can divide our planning into the weather and the beauty of the landscape in California. This is how to make a plan or an outline for our paragraph. In the blue, we write the title. In the yellow, we write the first paragraph and the second paragraph. And in the green, we write the supporting sentences or the supporting details. This is a plan for our descriptive paragraph. He asks us to write about California. So we write the title California. Then we have two paragraphs to write about. The first one, we are going to write about the weather, and in the second paragraph, we are going to write about the beauty of the landscape. In the first paragraph, which is about the weather, we can add more details. The details that support the idea of the beautiful weather or the weather we are talking about in California. So we can say that in California, it is cool in summer. It is cool in summer, but we write the phrase cool in summer. And we can say it's warm in winter. There are hot places. There are some snowy mountains. And in the beauty of the landscape, we can say there are some high mountains, low valleys, a huge forest or forests, sandy coast. Now we are going to use these ideas to write our descriptive paragraph. It's time to write. Let's start. We should make a draft for our writing. We should write the title and the topic sentence in the first paragraph and the topic sentence in the second paragraph and the supporting details in first paragraph and supporting details in second paragraph, and we should write concluding sentences. We should write that in our draft. This is a model descriptive paragraph, two paragraphs. We write the topic sentence. The topic sentence of our two paragraphs is California is the most wonderful place to visit because of its variety of weather and its beautiful landscape. In this sentence, we had the two paragraphs. The first one is the variety of weather, and the second one is the beautiful landscape. Now we are going to develop the subject to support the details of the first paragraph, which is about the weather. We say that visitors to California can find any weather they like. They can find cool temperatures in the summer. They can also find warm weather in the winter. They can find places that are difficult for humans to live in the summer because they are so hot. Or they can find places closed in the winter because of the snow. So these are the details, the supporting details for the first paragraph, which is about the weather. Our second paragraph was about the beauty of the landscape. So we are going to support the ideas, to support the details about the beauty of the landscape in California. So we say, on the other hand, visitors can find the nature they like. They can find high mountains and low valleys. Visitors can find a huge forest where they can enjoy watching a variety of animals. California has a dead desert and a very beautiful long coast. So here we supported the idea of the landscape, the beautiful landscape of California. We used the same phrases in our outline or in our plan. Finally, we are going to write the conclusion or the summary sentence. In the conclusion, we will express our opinion or restate the topic sentence or reuse the topic sentence in different vocabularies, different words. We can say, so California is the most wonderful place to visit because of its beautiful weather and nature. Thank you, my dear students. I hope you the best.